Hello everyone, this is Mommy Skin and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this creamy-licious chicken pastel. So let's get to the ingredients. We will use 1 kilo of chicken, any parts, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, half of a lemon. So bago muna natin i-prepare yung iba pang mga ingredients for this recipe, i-ready muna natin ang pag-marinate ng chicken. Gagamit lang tayo ng half lemon, squeeze it in, and then isunod na natin yung 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mag-a-add lang din tayo ng black ground pepper. And haluin lang natin siya para ma-mix yung lemon, soy sauce, and ground pepper. Kapag na-mix na siya ng maayos, tatakpan lang natin siya ng cling wrap and we will keep it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. The more time you marinate the chicken, the more chances of winning. So let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Gagamit tayo ng white onion, garlic. You will also need chicken sausage, 300 ml evaporated milk, 250 grams of mushrooms, 2 pieces of carrot, 2 pieces of potato. Gagamit din tayo ng 250 ml Nestle cream, 1 small size green bell pepper. We will also use 1 cup cheddar cheese. And aside from that, gagamit din tayo ng mga sumusunod. And kapag ready na ang lahat ng mga ingredients and ready ka na, then let's get started! So we will just preheat the pan and lalagyan lang natin siya ng cooking oil. And kapag medyo mainit-init na yung ating oil, isunod na natin yung butter. And as you can see, medyo na-excite lang ako dito ng very light. Kaya inilagay ko na rin agad si onion. Haluin lang natin ng konti pa yung ating sibuyas and isusunod na rin natin yung garlic. Kapag medyo luto na yung ating sibuyas at bawang, ilalagay na natin yung ating marinated chicken. So, hindi ko na nilagay yung natirang liquid dito sa pinag-marinate na natin kasi baka maglasa siyang adobo. And para mas maluto talaga yung chicken dahil ayaw natin ng bloody chicken, naglagay ako ng 1 cup water and sinimmer ko para talagang maluto yung chicken. Kapag medyo kumukulo na yung ating chicken, ilalagay na natin yung broth cube and isusunod na rin natin yung bay leaves. At this point, ilalagay na natin yung potatoes and yung ating chopped na carrots. So tatakpan lang natin siya ulit and then mag-antay lang tayo ng konting seconds bago natin isunod yung iba pang ingredients. Next, ilalagay na natin yung ating chicken sausage. Kasunod naman ang chicken sausage, ilalagay na rin natin ang ating mushrooms. So, naka-low heat lang po tayo, kaya wag po tayo ma-tense dahil hindi po ma-overcook yung ating chicken. Kapag medyo malapit nang maluto yung ating carrots at ang ating potato, ilalagay na natin yung green bell pepper. And at this time, pwede na rin natin siyang timplahan with salt and pepper. Ilalagay na rin natin ang ating evaporated milk. After a minute or two, ilalagay na natin yung ating cheddar cheese. And isasabay na rin natin yung ating Nestle cream. So at this point, medyo luto na yung ating potato and carrot. So hindi na natin masyadong patatagalin pa kasi maluluto din ng mabilis yung ating quick melt cheese kasama na rin yung cream. So isi-simmer lang natin siya ng another 3 minutes under low fire pa rin para hindi mo overcook yung ating mga gulay. And it's ready to go! So this is it guys! Luto na ang ating chicken pastel. Isang malakas na palakpak naman dyan! Pwedeng-pwede nyong iserve ang dish na ito during special occasions, family gatherings. I'm sure your friends and family will love this creamy chicken pastel. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family.